Srimatre Namaha. We are doing the Saundarya Lahari written by Adi Shankaracharya. This has 100 shlokas. People will say up to 1 to 41 is Ananda Lahari, 42 to 100 are Saundarya Lahari. So we are going to enter into the first shloka. The purpose of this channel is to just give you the shloka. I will chant slowly and then give you the essence of it. So we are entering into the first shloka. Shiva Shaktya Yukto Yadi Bhavati Shaktah Prabhavitum Na Chedevam Devo Na Khalu Kushala Spanditumapi Atastvam Aradhyam Harihara Virinchadibhirapi Pranamtum Stotum Va Kadhamakruta Punya Prabhavati. Devaha means Parabrahma Paramatma, that means Lord Shiva. He is a self-effulgent one. But to do this creation, he needed the Shakti, means mother's energy. Mother created the Spandana. Spandana means vibration. Vibration means frequency, to create. So that is why he needed mother energy. Without that, he was not able to do anything. Shiva Shaktya Yukto. When he united with the Shakti only, Shakti means energy. He was able to do the whole creation process. For example, even in our life also, we need energy, isn't it true? To bless our children, or to sing a song, or to do the stuti for any god, or do worship or puja, or even to listen to the satsang, even to turn on the computer or iPad, we need energy. Means we need mother's blessings. Through mother's blessings alone, we are able to speak, we are able to hear, we are able to communicate. So that is why we are praying for mother's blessings. Same thing, Lord Shiva did that too. Without her energy, he was not able to do anything. Same reason, that is the reason, Atastvam Aradhyam Harihara Virinchadibhirapi. For the same purpose, Harihara Virinchi means Hari means Lord Vishnu, Hara means Lord Shiva, Virinchi means Brahmaji, Brahmadeva. They were able to do the creation, sustenance and dissolution. To do that, they needed mother's energy. But how do we get that energy? Pranamtum stotum va kadhamakruta punya prabhavati. Pranamtum means to prostrate. Stotum means to do the stuti, to praise mother. Akruta punyaha means whoever do not have that punyam means merits, they will not be able to do, O mother. That is what Lord Adi Shankaracharya is saying. Means we need punyam, merits. What is punyam? Punyasya phalamicchanti punyam na kurvanti manavaha papasya phalam nechanti papam kurvanti yatnataha. Everybody wants a punya phalam, means results of merits. But nobody wants to do the punyam, means good deeds. What is the results of punyam? Good health, good wealth means Aishwaryam, and happiness, and sukham, and joy, health. All this is the cause of merits, punyam. but nobody wants to do the punyam. What is the sin? What is the results of the sin? Sorrow, hatred, and pittiness, and always a crying mentality, and not having good health, means having diseases, not having wealth. But people don't want the results of the sin, but they do the sins as though somebody is propelling them. See, that is what human psychology, human mentality is. They want good things. That is why we need to pray Mother. Pranamtum stotum va akruta punyaha. Punyam, without punyam, they will not be able to go near Mother. Even Sri Krishna Paramatma in Bhagavad Gita says, Bahunam janmanam ante jnanavan mam prapadyate vasudeva sarvamiti samahatma sudurlabham. After a long lives going up and down in different yonis, different janmas, after 64 lakhs of lives going round and round, going like a whirlpool, then they attain this human birth. In human birth also, after a long time, with a lot of merits, they want to attend satsang, listen to Bhagavad Katha and surrender to Bhagavan. So this is not easy. That is what Shankaracharya is saying. But so we all will acquire punya karma to listening about Mother and then surrender to Mother. May Mother bless us all. This is the conclusion. Om Sri Matre Namaha.